Amy the sheep was born in a slaughterhouse at Romford in 2009. She was brought home in a carrier bag on the underground when she was 2 hours old and went straight in the Guinness Book of Records as the first sheep to ride the tube. Since then she has been in 5 films: Doc Martin, Foyle's War, Catherine Cookson's Mulberry Fleece, Tadpole and others. She's also been in pantomimes in the South London area, and she's a mascot for St George's Hospital, and she collects for charity. Up to date she's raised 35,000. She was given a medal last year by Princess Anne, honour of distinction. She's just done an advert for Specsavers. Oh.
Come on, stand up and baby.